Hey team, my 2-minute conviction this week is learn how to harness the 90-second pause. That's right, pause. In our busyness, in our such compressed lives, in the tireless calendars and schedules we're keeping, there are so many things that trigger us. There are cues and stimulus that get under our skin, that press our buttons and we react. And so often that instinctive reaction is not productive. It causes unwanted outcomes, and it's because we're not thinking, we're not slowing down enough to actually make good use of these situations that appear. And so we need to harness a 90-second pause. When something is said or done, when people or things really trigger you, and you use this 90 seconds to just slow it all down, to identify how you're feeling, to put a name or a description to the emotion, to resist the urge to act impulsively, to think about the consequences of what you do next, and to choose a mature and intelligent response, then you turn those unwanted outcomes into desirable, favorable results, into progressing your situations in a way that builds your opportunities. And so, team, learn how to harness that 90 seconds. It's such a small window of time, but has huge impact in the world around you if you can use it constructively. 90 seconds. Try and resist that instinctive reaction and choose a response. This is Stephen Covey's definition of responsibility. You have the ability to respond to everything that comes across your desk and in your world if we take the time to harness 90 seconds. Have a great week as you steal back some time in these situations to progress your situation.